Whenever working on anything electrical, it's best practice to unhook the battery. You want to remove the connector from the negative terminal and set it aside. Just make sure it's not touching anything metal.
I think a little mousy has been chewing on this sleeve here. I don't like that.
I'm going to carefully cut off this old protective sleeve with some scissors. I don't want to accidentally cut any of these wires underneath here.
Looks like this is the only one that's chewed into, is the white one. This is the part where the little mousey chewed through. I have some wire cutters. Come through, just go boop, like so. Then we're going to strip it a little bit here.
Here I'm checking what gauge the wire is. This way I can use the wire stripper to remove only the sheathing, exposing a bit of the wire underneath. I'm twisting it to score the edges first, and then I'm pulling to strip the sheathing.
I got these.
These are Dorman 22 to 18 gauge butt connectors with the shrink tubing included.
I'm going to slide the sheathing on first so that it's there.
Don't forget this step because you can't go back once you've connected the wires. I'm twisting all the wire strands together so that they're all going the same direction. Then I'm pushing and twisting on the butt connector to make sure they're solidly together. Now I'm repeating the same steps for the wire on the other side.
I'm going to take the crimpy crimp and squeeze it down to hold each side in.
You'll notice I'm using the crimp with the red dot on my tool, which matches the red stripe on the butt connector. So the squeeze matches the wire size. Next, I'm pulling on the sides to make sure they're secure.
All I have is a lighter, so that's what we're gonna do. If you have a heat gun, that would probably be better.
Okay, I'm moving back and forth here because we don't want to melt the wire. This is shrinking up quite nicely.
Ooh, that's hot. All right, I have some electrical tape here. Just gonna wrap the whole thing up to hopefully keep the animals from eating it.
And there you have it. This wire is good to go.